Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to build a cobblestone generator in Minecraft. If you need a large amount of cobblestone, it's easier to build a generator which will save you some time. First, find a flat place. Dig 2 holes and put a chest in it. On top of the chest we put a funnel. Make sure the funnel goes into the chest. Now we put 3 more funnels behind the first one. Check if the funnels are connected to each other. Now we build on each side a place to put in the lava on the left side and on the right side to put in the water. The obsidian is there so you don't dig through the generator. The dirt blocks will block the lava and water in their places for now. For more safety we're gonna put glass on the top of the generator. Pour in the lava on the left side and on the right side the water. Pour in enough so when you dig away the dirt blocks it will float together. This is what the generator should look like. Now you can dig away the dirt block and you will directly receive cobblestone which will fall into the chest when you start mining. I hope this video has helped you, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.